I do think it's important for people to have individual notions of success, because one of the ways that things move forward is that if I'm a little bit wrong about what's good to do, but somebody else has a different idea, that person moves the ball forward when I didn't, right? So I will say that. For me personally, when I make this programming language, for example, there are several levels of success I could imagine, but I don't consider, they're nested in a certain way, in the following way. Like I said in the beginning, I want to make real, verifiable improvements that actually help with hard problems, not easy problems, okay? If I don't succeed at that, then other layers of success I'm not interested in, because we've seen, so another layer of success could be, okay, I design a language and I think it's good, and then also it's successful and lots of programmers use it, right? That would be great, but I don't want to be successful if the thing isn't good, because I feel like that's been the trajectory of most languages, right? There's somehow, a lot of programming languages are essentially pollution that is being externalized into the world, because people make something, it's not really any better than other things. Even if it's equally as good as another language, that's pollution, because now there's more ways to do things and expertise is spread. I don't know. I don't want to go into that. But so I feel like that gets done way too much. One of my pet peeves that, like, people probably won't understand this in the time we have to explain, but if you read an old academic paper or you go on Hacker News or something, there'll be some system or programming language or whatever, and the format that you tell people about is, you know, cool name, often in capital letters, colon, a programming language to help program fur dolls or something, I don't know, right? It's putting the name first. It's like fundamentally an advertising exercise, and that's wrong. We've done way too much of that. We've done way too much making things that aren't that good and broadcasting them into the internet. The internet amplified this and made it much worse. Yeah. So, like, for me personally, I want the quality to be there, and then maybe the next step doesn't succeed because maybe people don't agree with me about quality or don't recognize quality, or something flashy gets everybody's attention, right? And they're like a cat following a laser. I can't control that. But if it does become successful, I'll be happy with that. I'll be happier than if it didn't. But that's contingent on the quality for me. And then third goal in a sphere outside that is maybe, because there's some long-term roadmap of us understanding how to program, understanding software. And for a while, we were doing a good job, like trekking along that road and making progress. And I feel like that has slowed down. But I don't think it's necessary that we stop. I think we can make more progress, and so nudging that a little bit, right, and helping contribute to that long-term progress would be great. But again, I think that contribution is only valid or legitimate when it's really helping and it's not fluff.